Today we would like to talk to you about meters. When you are troubleshooting pumps and motors, good meters are very critical in being able to analyze what is going on at the job site. Volt-ohm meters such as this, a clamp-on amp meter such as this, and a megger such as this. All these meters are necessary to troubleshoot whether it is single-phase or three-phase power. We make recommendations on a couple of different models, and at this point I'd like to discuss the volt-ohm meter. Looking at the volt-ohm meter, we recommend the Fluke 177. This is not the volt-ohm meter of days gone by. This meter covers voltage, amperage, frequency, capacitance, and ohms, and is very accurate. Our field engineers use this in the field, and we highly recommend this model. Next, we will cover the amp meter. Looking at the amp meter, this is a Fluke 375. The amp meter is critical in reading the amps that you may see on a motor, which could be several hundred amps depending upon the conditions under which you're reading them or what conditions the motor is going through at the time. A good amp meter gives you accurate readings and is necessary to analyze what is going on or what components may be failing in a system. This device in a pinch could be used to detect imbalance in power, which would indicate a ground fault in the wiring. Last is the megger, and the model that we recommend is the UEI DMEG3. This is the same device our field engineers use, and it is used for insulation testing. It checks the integrity of the insulation and helps you detect ground faults or breakdowns in the insulation in the motor. This device does a very specific job. The other two devices, the volt-ohm meter and the amp meter, will not do what this device does. We highly recommend that you have one of these devices, especially if you are working on a variable frequency drive. In the future, we will show you how to use each of these meters one at a time.